Y'all.
Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins and
Kelsey Ray.
coming at you live from downtown Charleston. Keep going.
And so we're going to give you guys a tour of the Airbnb that we just rented for some of the team to come and close the end of the month and pretty much explain to you guys what exactly it is that we do. If you're a little bit confused, just put me in the comments because I bet some of you are really confused. Like, okay, well, how do you actually make the money? We make one stream of income through one company that has a really great compensation plan, takes very good care of us, and we promote one product. And if you think that you're too good to promote a supplement or even take a supplement, then goodbye, get off the slide. But,
Bye, Felicia.
no, for real though. Like, we take a supplement that puts us into a state of ketosis, which you cannot get anywhere else. So we have the upper hand on every single other company out there. It's scientifically proven to put your body into a state of ketosis, which burns your body's fat for energy, focus, mental clarity. It curbs your appetite. It really is just, it saved my life, and yeah,
changed my entire life for sure.
I lost 55 pounds in the first 4 months with incorporating it into my life, and
I lost 30 pounds in 3 months.
yeah, and so it's just a supplement that we take every single day to maintain our energy, our fat loss, our focus, our energy, and so that's how we make our money. However, that's not the only way. We don't just sell something. And so type a big ol' yes in the comments below if you feel like you know us and you relate to us. And that is on purpose because we actually do social media. We have branded ourselves by telling stories about us, and it's authentic, right? So the stories you know about us are not fabricated, they're real. And we teach other people how to build a brand and following through social media and then promote our product instead of just trying to sell something. And so
we just share what we love, you guys. It just is really that simple. Like Kelsey said, we have branded ourselves based off who we are as individuals. Hi! And you guys get to know us based off our stories and stuff, and then you start to form a relationship with us. And then obviously anything that we share, we're influencing you to buy because we genuinely love it, right? So like anything you buy off Amazon, you guys are like, where did you get that shirt? It's the same exact concept. Right. So you guys, sometimes I think people overthink the whole like selling a product or drinking ketones, like they think that it's a scam or like a whatever you guys want to say. It's not literally the same thing as you going to Starbucks, buying a Starbucks drink, and then posting it to your story saying, hey you guys, look what I just got, I got the goody goods. It's the same exact thing. So if you guys are excited to see the house tour, drop a house emoji in the comments below. Hey Caitlin, hey Michaela, hey Vicky, hi Teresa, hey Casey, hey Paige. Make sure you guys share the video for your chance to win our weekly giveaway too. Tap the little arrow button, comment, share it in the comments below. And if at any point during this live you guys want to learn how to do what we do and you guys want to be a part of all the people here with us who are staying
say hi.
Airbnb, say hi. Where's everybody at? If you want to be a part of this and you want to be at our next retreat, which we're going to be doing this, or not a retreat, but it's just an end of month Airbnb where we come here, stay the night, we close the month together, we work together. If you want to be a part of that, we're going to do this every other month. Like, we are committed to doing this every other month for people who decide to join us in business. And it's completely paid for by Kelsey and I. All they are paying for is their transportation here and their food. Okay, so it's just quite frankly like a free little mini vacation. All right, so if you guys want to learn how to make money from your phone, just always drop a $sign in the comments below. Let's get started, shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do this.
How we flippy flip? How we flip?
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna start from outside.
Can y'all drop a hi in the comments?
Say hi as you guys are hopping on. Say hello.
So just say hi.
Let me know where you're watching from. This is downtown Charleston, baby. Baby. Say hi, Whitney. Hi. Okay, so this is, I'm going to show you the whole house. You go, baby. Look at how cute the house is. It's just so dainty. Someone is gotten a wreck or something. Y'all hear the ambulances? If y'all hear the ambulances, drop a yes in the comments. Okay, anyways, it's cute. It's so freaking updated and everything. Like, look at the porchy porch. If you guys think this is cute, drop a heart in the comments below. Las Vegas. Hey, what's up, Greg? Hi, Mama. Okay, so this is when you walk in. The couch is amazing. Caitlin brought baby Oliver. And he's such a sweet boy. Say hi, Oliver. Okay, anyways. Oh my God, look at the kitchen. Emma, I could totally see you whipping up in the kitchen, baby. Yeah. You gonna cook us some dinner or what?
I got you. Some of that pasta sauce.
Ooh, pasta sauce. Okay. I wonder if they left us any water.
Right, because I just
Rude. I'm thirsty. Oh, they have water right here.
No, it didn't work.
No?
No, but I'm about to see if there's
Whoever designed this house, like, I need them to come decorate my house. What do you think, Caitlin? What's this? Oh, this is the laundry. Okay, okay. So all of us, what do? We all work from our phones. So we all post to social media. We've learned how to build a brand. We've learned how to grow a following, and then we've learned how to monetize the following. Look at our little camp room. This is the camp room. Hi in the mirror. Hi. Say hi in the comments below as you guys are hopping on. This room, or not this room, this bathroom is freaking cute. Like the whole house is just like completely renovated. It's like an old Charleston house. If you've ever been to Charleston, you know that Charleston houses are just like old. Like look at the floors. You guys love the floors? If you love the floors, drop a yes. Like this is actually quite literally like my dream house. Like I'm not even kidding. Like I just want like a cute little house with hardwood floors and it'd be completely renovated. What is this? Like hold on a second. We gotta figure out, why is there a car in the air? What is this? That is sus. Okay, anyways, let's get back on track. Yeah, if you guys want to learn what we do for work, like this is my full-time job. This is Kelsey's full-time job, Heather's full-time job, Emma's full-time job. You guys can learn by dropping a $ in the comments below.
Have a social media following. You don't have to have any experience. I just need you to be coachable and be willing to do the things. And so if you can do that, drop a $sign in the comments below. I love doing this business in Somerset. Yes. Cheese. Okay, hold on. And Amber and I are both actually verified 6-figure earners through this stream of income. And so I don't know who needed to hear that, but yes, it's a real business. Yes, you can absolutely make money from your phone. You just have to be coachable. Again, you don't have to have a social media following. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to know what to do. You just have to be coachable enough to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to do exactly what you say to do because you've done it. Clearly, it's proven to work. And so again, $ in the comments, and please share this out. Type in the comments the word share so you can help us reach people who actually want to change their life.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just so grateful that 3.5 years ago I said yes to an opportunity that I knew nothing about. I was really scared. I was really nervous. I was insecure. I had no confidence. I was overweight. So if you were any of those things, just know I hope that I give you hope through sharing my story, that is who I was when I started this. The reason why you guys see the Amber Higgins that you see today is because of this business. I'm telling you, it's because of going live. It's because of posting on social media, even when it made me very uncomfortable and like scared and nervous. Like literally, when I used to go live, I used to shake. My voice would shake, my face would get red, my chest would break out in hives, my ears would get bloodshot red. And it's like, it's the things that scare you that you do over and over that build your confidence. And so I hope that inspires you to take some action today. Like, I don't want you to look back a year from now and be like, damn, I really wish I would have listened to Amber and Kelsey. Like, damn, or like the next time we get an Airbnb and you watch our Airbnb live where we give you another house tour, I want you to be like, damn, I really wish that I was there. I should have said yes 2 months ago.
This is not something that's earned either. It's like everybody that is on our team had the opportunity to come do this. All you had, imagine just being a part of the team, and all you had to do was like get here and then spend time with us. And it's not even about like, we're not famous people or whatever, but it's like power, proximity, and friendship and community, and just having a bigger purpose in life. And quite frankly, I don't know who needs to hear this, but like sometimes I'd be bored, and so I love doing things like this.
Yeah.
Because we get together, we have fun, we make content. And truly what we do is, it's hard work, yes, mentally some days, like we don't want to show up, but there are a lot of times where we're like, you know what, this is literally making us an income. And it's so much fun.
6-figure income. It's not even just like I have to look back, like I was making like $28,000 as a medical assistant. Like I could not fathom making $10,000 plus a month. Like that was not even in the cards for me. Like I just knew as a medical assistant, I had a cap on my head. And so I'm just so grateful that I gave it a chance. I took a chance on myself. I'm just so grateful. Even when I didn't have the money, like I was struggling paycheck to paycheck. I could barely pay my bills. And I'm not telling you to do this, okay? But I used a little bit of my rent money to get started. Because I knew that if I didn't change something 3.5 years ago, that I was going to stay the exact same forever and ever. And I was not okay with that. There was something inside of me that was screaming at me, telling me that I needed to do something. And so I did it, and I'm just so grateful that I did.
Same. So my biggest fear, one of my biggest fears actually, and you guys tell me what's your biggest fear in the comments, please. And I applaud you guys for actually doing these things by telling me in the comments. It takes a lot of courage to do that. My biggest fear is being 80, 90 years old on my deathbed, looking back in my life and saying, I wish I had. I wish I had done that. I wish. I don't want to wish anything. I want to go after it and do whatever I want to do in my life. And this is giving us the freedom financially And in every aspect of the word of freedom, it has given us freedom to live a life we want to live, not that we have to live, and we're not capped to the amount of income that we're making. So anyways, if you guys, again, drop a $sign in the comments below and make sure to get in contact with us immediately. Everything's linked in the bio. If you're like, I don't really want to comment, cool, send us a message. Link is in the bio if you want to just watch a video to see it, what it is that we do and how you can do it too. And you could be at the next team retreat, Airbnb, getaway, whatever we do, you can be with us and you can be doing it with us and making money from your phone as well.
My biggest fear is failure. So I guess I have a question for you. Like, what if you do it and it changes your entire life?
Yeah.
And like, I just have to like say this really quick. The only way that you can fail at this is if you quit.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's not by any means something that where it's like this get rich quick thing. Like, that does not exist. And so I don't know who like planted that into our heads. But you obviously have to work for it. You obviously have to give it time. You obviously have to be consistent. You obviously have to work on yourself and grow and develop. But like, the only way to fail, quite literally, is to give up.
Yeah.
And it's almost like, I've said this before, but it's almost like a baby trying to walk. Like, they fall down and then they get back up. You would never be like, stay down, you suck, baby. Like, you can't walk. You know what I mean? Like, you are encouraging them. So like, why can you not encourage yourself? Like, failing forward is something that I don't think is normalized, that I really would like to start normalizing, because it's normal. The only way to learn lessons is by screwing up, messing up. And so don't be afraid of failure. I think you should be more afraid of staying complacent than failing. Failing is good. Failing teaches you lessons. And if you're actually learning the lessons, then you're moving forward and you're growing anyway. And so I just wanted to say that really quick. But anyways, if you guys want to learn how to make money from your phones and be at the retreat next time with us, or be at the Airbnb. I keep saying retreat. This is not a retreat. This is just literally an Airbnb for fun. But anyways, drop a $sign in the comments below. Make sure you guys, share this video, share it in the comments below. And y'all stay tuned to our stories to get like a little bit of behind the scenes.